To set up an EBT PIN in California, start by understanding what an EBT card is. An EBT card, or electronic benefits transfer card, is used to receive and use food and cash benefits from the government. The PIN, or personal identification number, is a secret code that allows you to use your EBT card securely. First, you need to have an EBT card issued to you by the California Department of Social Services. Once you have your card, you can set up your PIN. To do this, locate the phone number provided with your EBT card or call the EBT customer service number for California. When you call, you will be prompted to enter your EBT card number. This is the 16-digit number found on the front of your card. After entering your card number, you will be asked to create a 4-digit PIN. Choose a number that is easy for you to remember, but hard for someone else to guess. Avoid using your birth date, address, or other easily accessible information as your PIN. Instead, use a combination of numbers that is unique to you. Once you have created your PIN, you will be asked to confirm it by re-entering the same 4-digit number. After your PIN is set up, you can use your EBT card to purchase food and other eligible items at participating stores. When you make a purchase, you will be asked to enter your PIN to complete the transaction. Always keep your EBT card and PIN safe and secure to avoid any unauthorized use. To keep your account secure, it is recommended that you change your PIN every 90 days. You can do this by calling the EBT customer service number and following the prompts to change your PIN. If you forget your PIN, you can also call the customer service number to reset it. Remember to always keep your EBT card and PIN information confidential to prevent any potential issues. By following these steps, you can set up and use your EBT PIN in California securely and efficiently.